Perfect.
So first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. This thing is beautiful. I like this green color, and I like the way that Samsung actually went with a more flatter around the device and 6.6-inch display. So you're probably wondering why I picked up the S22 Plus instead of the Ultra. Well, for one, the Ultra is getting way too much coverage right now, and I decided to go with the middle phone because the smaller S22 battery capacity is just a little bit too small, and I wanted a little bit bigger display, so I decided to go with the middle one. A couple reasons why I didn't pick up the Ultra. One, I really don't use the S Pen, so I'm just one of those that doesn't use the S Pen. And the other one is the cameras on the back of the S22 Ultra. I'm not really a fan of the look. To me, it just looks dated. I don't know why people are saying that it looks so good. They did an excellent thing. I don't see it. I really don't like the cameras on the S22 Ultra. I prefer the ones on the S21 Ultra. I think that camera module looks way better, looks nicer, looks more futuristic. I feel like they're going backwards. But yeah, that, and I'm probably never ever gonna use that zoom camera. I mean, I don't know. I don't see myself using that much. But yeah, those are my reasons. And yeah, this is the S22 Ultra, 6.6-inch display. The green color is just beautiful. I like the green color. That's their new color. And I also like the flat edges around the phone. Man, this is nice. I also got the Galaxy Watch 4, which I'm going to be pairing up with that in another video. But yeah, you guys already know what's in the box, so I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to let you guys know the battery life and what I think about it so far. So far, it's beautiful. First impressions, this thing is beautiful. I like the way it feels. It's not too heavy, not too light, and the screen is nice. I like that. I like this fit in my hand compared to the Pixel. I just like the round edges. I like the round edges on here. So yeah, that's first thing I noticed. The round edges, they fit real nice in my hand. And yeah, man, excited for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I got some things that I want to show you guys in another video, which is some cases for the Galaxy Watch 4 and cases for the S22 Plus. So I'm gonna set this up, and I'll catch you guys in another video. All right, we out.